What do you desire the most in your life? Do you desire a fine house in a fine place? Do you desire a beautiful car? Do you desire to travel around the world? Well, all of these things are possible. All you need to do is to come up with your plan. Welcome, welcome, and welcome to Life Practice channel where we talk about creating wealth online on your way to your financial freedom. In our topic for today, we are going to be looking at challenges that you encounter on your way to your financial freedom. We're going to be looking at 4 challenges. First challenge we're going to be looking at is emergency. Yes, emergencies come suddenly on us. They don't tell us that they are appearing. They don't announce their appearance. When such emergencies come, how do you handle them? Take for instance a medical emergency where there will be a need to do a surgery or to be hospitalized. I mean, we know that hospitalization comes with spending of money. Yes, because there will be medication to be taken. You have to pay for the space you're going to take. You have to pay for so many things. So you see, if medical emergencies come when you with your financial freedom, that it will delay your journey towards your financial freedom. What about disasters? Disasters do come. Yes, disasters like flood. Yes, disasters like fire. I mean, we don't pray for such disasters, but we know as long as you are alive, as long as you live, sometimes such disasters come. How do you handle such? I mean, if such disasters come, they delay your journey towards your financial freedom. We also have emergencies like repairs. Yes, it will be car repairs. Yes, it will be house repairs, something that you are not prepared for. But they do come. I mean, you can just be going with your car on the road and just all of a sudden it develops a fault and that fault might and it costs you so much money. So you see, repairs of a house roof, yes, repairs of maybe a bathtub that goes for. These are extra spendings that we do, and we spend money on such activities. So you see, such activities can delay your journey towards your financial. The second challenge that you might encounter on your way to your financial freedom is liabilities. Yes, liabilities like debt. Yes, this can also delay your journey. I mean, is it student loan? You know that student loans, you get that money to study, to improve yourself. But then if the loan is much, the debt will keep on increasing and it will delay your journey towards your financial liabilities. Or we can say that like car loan, yes, like house loan, like consumer debt. Yes, all these things, if they are much, they will delay your journey towards your financial freedom because you will keep on paying for them. Every month you keep on paying, you pay the interest, pay the tax, and by the time you keep on paying, your money is also going down the drain. So you see, liability like that need to be cleared on time so that your journey towards your financial freedom will be better. Third challenge that might come your way on your way to your financial freedom is lack of discipline. Yes, when you lack discipline, you will find that your journey towards financial freedom will take you longer. Yes, lack of discipline, like financial discipline. You need to be disciplined if you are journeying towards your financial freedom. Yes, it's not everything that you see that you need to buy. Yes, it's not every new gadget, phone that comes out that you have to buy or the latest car. No, you have to have financial discipline if you're working towards your financial freedom. Secondly, you need to be disciplined in order to start your financial freedom journey. Yes, if you are not disciplined, you will never start that job because there are so many things that will distract you. that will make you to lose your focus as you journey towards your financial freedom. You see, you need to be disciplined in order to start your financial freedom journey. For you to be disciplined in the areas of finances, you need to track your expenses. Yes, you need to budget. Yes, you need to save. You need to cut down on so many things and then you need to invest. But if you are not able to do these things, then how will you be able, you know, to start your financial journey and also save and invest in order to get your financial freedom? So you see, you need to be disciplined in order to stay focused as you journey towards your financial freedom. What challenge that might come your way on the way to your financial freedom is lack of financial literacy. I mean, you need to know what money is. You need to know how money works. You need to know how to go about spending your money. Now, if you are not financially literate, how will you be able to do that? Because you need to be literate. You need to know how to invest your money. You need to know how to cut down on so many things in order to save. You know, you need to know how to invest that money. So you see, financial literacy is very, very important on the way to your financial. Financial emergency will come, lack of discipline will be there, financial debt will be there. But you see, you need to know how to tackle them so that as you journey towards your financial freedom, you will have peace. So until I come your way, please like and subscribe to our life where we talk about creating wealth online and your way to your financial